two people. Hey, first question. Can I crouch?
No. No. Hell no.
All right. My freaking penis stopped. People my penis, you bastard. I can't masturbate tonight. It's gonna be painful to masturbate. Man, that's horrible. How do they have to even masturbate? Look for that, I got you. Wait, oh, I didn't fire. Wait, did it fire?
Whatever, that was 2 rounds.
Okay, I'm good.
Yeah, I got you. Cool.
Ah.
That one hurt me a little for the record.
Oh, he's got a new gun.
Oh!
In the forehead.
Nice shot. Yeah, I got him right in the forehead. Oh, crap. Are you guys like moving forward at all anymore?
Yeah, we are. Go ahead.
I was taking huge steps last time, and they were taking baby steps. Ah! Stagnant twice. They were taking baby steps last time, so they can freaking deal with it as far as I'm concerned. Ow! Ow! That was right in the stomach. You out? You still good? Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Gotta
good.
cause some pain, man. You gotta get your revenge. Damn it.
We already did. Oh, we did? I did. Here you go.
Right in the chest.
You good? I know, he has something for nipples, man. Are you good?
Oh, come on! What
you
the
got me in the
hell was
wrist.
that?
Dude, you just splattered your gun hard.
What the fuck? What?
Oh!
Good thing I know how to take paint. Hey, after this, we're only taking one more step, because then we're going to be too damn close, and we're going to kill each other.
Why don't you keep taking steps? Why don't you quit?
Fine. Fine. Damn it, man! I wasn't ready! What the hell? Alright, go ahead. Bastard, I wasn't even ready.
If you're gonna cringe like that, then get out!
Just shoot, man.
That's fine. Damn it!
Oh!
Son of a bitch!
Alright.
I can't see a fucking thing. No, I can't do that. What?
Just missed his head. I'm not aiming for the head, by the way. It's just that it hurts sometimes. Alright.
Oh!
Oh, do you?
He's out.
Are you?
It's alright, I wasn't standing there.
Not bad, bro. Oh! Woo!
You're taking that thing like a pro. There you go, there you go.
Like Tony Stark, man.
What do you mean?
Same fucking He hits in the same spot every time. You gotta stop shooting him.
Why haven't you been shooting him?
No, I shot him one.
Yeah, once.
Yeah, I shot him right here in the forehead.
You don't take an aim at me and you know it.
No.
That doesn't hurt more than bottom of my head.
Why? Should I shoot him again?
Oh, right in the neck. Damn it!
That hurt me to watch.
This is the funniest shit I've ever seen in my life. It's going on YouTube.
Might have to.
That's why I don't shoot him.
Are you gonna hit anything?
No, I hit Hawk in the head. I hit him in the forehead.
Is that both?
No.
Yeah, I figured.
Damn it.
You guys suck.
This is good. Oh crap! Screw it. He's not gonna wait. Ah.
There it is.
All right. One more. Yeah, he hit me.
Fucking give up!
Dig, dude.
Yeah, we're pretty close now.
Yeah, I think we had
You
to
guys
stop.
should start hitting now.
Ow! Fuck me!
Okay.
Oh my god. Someone is
Oh, man.
Dude, other dude's cringing, man.
Oh.
Come on, just take the
Yeah,
shot.
ball, shit.
Not exactly what I was aiming for. I had the room to shoot
Take it, baby steps forward.
it. Hey, you were doing it before and you know it.
What?
I only have 5.
What the hell?
No, I didn't fire. Okay, there you go. All right, let's go. There you go. You're good. That was cool.
That was still?
Yeah. That was
Okay. Yeah.
Pumping it out, dude. Kicking it out. This is all for you, man.
Yeah, you could be in some serious pain.
Fuck.
Come on!
This far.
Okay, I think we should stop this before something bad really
Wanna
happens.
restart?
That is not an option.
No, push one
I'm
more.
just saying.
Back up, we'll play 2-on-2.
All right. Wait, what was